Let's say you want to build something cool following a tutorial you found online, but it's built on top of a language that you're not super keen on. For example, LangChain's tutorial on building an end-to-end agent is built on top of using their Python tooling. What you can do is follow the tutorial and then turn it into a gRPC server so that you can leverage libraries from other programming languages and then limit the time you're spending in that language you don't like. So following this tutorial, you'll find that they built an end-to-end agent that takes in a human message and spits out a reply. They stream the replies, but we'll focus on a one-to-one. So this is the flow for that end-to-end agent. Now, what you want to do is create a Go service that will send the human message and then receive the reply. How do we turn this into a gRPC server? Well, first you set up the protocol. So this would be the example of the profile where you name the package, you create the service. The service has one function that takes in this type of request, this type of message, and returns this type of message. So it takes in content, which is a string, and spits out the reply, which contains a role and the content, as we saw above. And once you define your profile, you can then generate the gRPC server, which you can add to the Python service so that it becomes a gRPC server. And you can generate this by using this command right here. And then notice that we're specifying we want a Python output because this is built on top of the Python tutorial. And once that's built, you can then generate a client version using similar command, but specifying a Go output, and then add it to your Go service. And that way, you can have this flow where the Go service ends up sending the message and then receive that reply. Let me know if you end up trying this out.